Alright, so you're on Coinbase and all these exchanges, and you can't find these hot new coins that you always hear about. How in the world are these guys getting 1,000x in a week, 2,000x in a week? You want in, right? Well, I'm about to show you. In order to access these coins, you need to use a decentralized exchange. Exchanges like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap. Now, unlike Coinbase or these other centralized exchanges, they don't require any of your customer information. No names, no addresses, no social security number. We will need to set up a Metamask wallet which will allow us to interact with these decentralized exchanges. So first we'll load Metamask, and then we'll go to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap and swap out some different cryptocurrencies that you can't typically get on a normal exchange. Step 1 is download Metamask. We want to go into our Google search and type in metamask.io. As always, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video. When we get to the website, we'll want to go ahead and download for our Chrome browser, or if you have the Brave browser, you could do that too. Go ahead and install it and add it. As you can see, I clicked add extension. This will insert a little pull down into your browser. Now go ahead and click get started. And here you could either choose to import an existing wallet, or you could create a new wallet. This screen just asks if they want to collect your data. I usually just hit no thanks. Now here you'll want to create a new password, so it's up to you obviously. So go ahead and type in your new password and confirm it. Now while you're doing that, let me go ahead and explain what Metamask is. So Metamask is a wallet that can be used with many different networks. In the beginning it was just Ethereum, but now you could do many different ones like Polygon, AVAX, Binance Smart Chain. So there's a lot of different networks that you can go and set it up once you get your Metamask wallet installed. Now on the Metamask website there'll be a couple videos that you can watch. It'll go ahead and explain to you, a little more in depth of what this wallet can do and how to make sure that you secure your secret code. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. So once you hit next, you'll come to the secret recovery phrase page. And this is very important. You're going to want to copy down these words exactly the way they're written and write it on a piece of paper. I'm going to warn you, some people may want to copy this onto their computer. That's very risky. I don't advise doing it. So please write it down, or if you want, copy it onto a Word, print up the word, delete everything. These are your secret keys. Do not share them with anybody. Do not ever send them to anybody. If you lose your secret keys, somebody could take all your money. So please take care of your keys. Once you've copied down all your keys, you hit next. It'll bring you to this screen where you're going to have to put your keys down exactly as you copied them. So go ahead and fill it out. When you got your keys, click confirm. Alright, you're done. Now you've got your wallet. It's all set up. So up there in the corner you can see your account. You click on the corner down there, go to account details, and you can see your full wallet address. That's the address that you're going to give to people or use from another wallet to send money to this wallet. So now what you could do is go to your exchange wallet and you could send some Ethereum to this wallet. Alright, so now on your web browser you can go to your pull down and click on Metamask. It'll probably ask you to log back in from when you created your password. And what you can do is you can click buy, and it'll give you different options of setting up other accounts to go and buy Ethereum or whatever coin you want, or you could just go to your Coinbase and send it from that website also. So it's up to you, but the important thing is that you have a wallet set up on Metamask, and now you can go and get some money, some Ethereum onto this wallet. Next thing we're going to do is go to Uniswap exchange. So go ahead and type in Uniswap. There'll be a link in the video. Go into it, and this website, you'll see there's an app that you can launch. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So it'll bring you to this other screen, and you see the pull downs here. You can see all the different options that you could trade all these coins. There's lots of them. And you're on the Ethereum network right now. So some of these are not available through regular exchanges such as Coinbase. So these coins, you'll see some of them are like fractions of a penny, and this is how people get in early. So I'm gonna end up trading Ethereum for some hex coins for this tutorial. Now we're going to get into connecting your MetaMask onto different websites. Now you need to be very careful and make sure that websites that ask you to connect your wallet, that they're safe and that you trust them. There's sometimes some scams, so you got to be very careful that you're on a site that you trust and you know of. Because what happens is there'll be a little button that you could click and say connect. And if it's a scam website, they could take your coins. So be careful, alright? Alright, so you may see me clicking through how it says wrong network. On my MetaMask wallet, I have Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum set up. I think it's switched on Binance, so I'm gonna have to go into my MetaMask and switch to network. So there's a little drop down up at the top, switch Ethereum, and then it connects. Since this is your first time setting it up, you won't have that issue. Real quick, when you're first trying to buy a new coin, it may ask you to import the token. Go ahead and import it. If you don't and you buy a coin, it may not show up in your wallet. Now, it doesn't mean that tokens are lost. You just need to make sure your wallet recognizes that token. Alright, so the coin pairing I have for this purchase is an Ethereum Hex. Hex is a unique product. It's basically CD on a blockchain network. So you lock up your coins and you get interest. The longer you hold your coins, the higher the interest paid. If you pull it out early, you get penalized. So it's got a lot of fancy tokenomics, but this is a great coin. So back at the screen, depending on how much Ethereum you have, you could set what you want to buy. Always make sure that you have enough Ethereum to cover the gas fees. So what are gas fees? Well, it's the price to use the network when you're doing transactions and sending them to people. So once you choose how much you're going to spend, it'll show you, what the conversion is. So I'm putting 0.014 ETH. It's going to give me about 500 hex. Go ahead and hit swap and wait for the MetaMask transaction pull down to pop up. It's going to give you some information about how much the gas fees are going to be and the total cost. And when you decided that looks good, you'll want to hit confirm. So give the transaction a little bit of time to process. Once it's processed, you'll see the new coins added to your wallet. Again, if you do not see them, you'll have to add the token to your wallet. So the transaction went through, as you can see. I have more hex available now. I already had some in this wallet, and I just bought some more. Congratulations, you just purchased your first coin on a decentralized exchange without using any middlemen. There is no person interaction, no one recording any of your personal data. Alright, so now that you have a MetaMask wallet, this opens you up to a whole new world of cryptocurrencies. We're talking NFTs, game NFTs, art, music, videos, new released coins, staking for interest. You don't have any middlemen, so now you own your own keys. No one can take your coins or say that they don't have any more. And an added bonus, now that you have your own wallet address, sometimes new projects just like to give you brand new coins, so you could literally get free money for doing nothing. Thanks for hanging in there. I hope this is starting to make sense to you. Please smash that like button, subscribe, check out my other videos. Thank you.